ass, and I'm a G. I don't give a fuck. Y'all see me, yeah, I'm on TV. I'm a G. I run with the baddest. I play with some guns, and I come at your ass. Yeah, I'm bored as a bitch. I don't give a fuck because I'm the shit. What? Yeah, I got Bree with me. She got 10 guns and you see her? She getting real live over there. And we got Big B in the back. She holding up the camera. And we've been doing this because we some motherfucking G's.
Yeah.
That shit was ass.
What about that bling bling bling? 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 Cause my name is Ming Wing. Yes, I'm Asian. I get on my knees and I suck the knee because I clean your toes. Cause I'm Asian. What about that bling bling bling? What about that ching ching ching? Ching 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 ching.
Who said Weezy was the best? Just let the beat drop, and I'ma finish the rest. Hey yo, I'm a bitch, I'm a shit. This fucking beat right here, this is the shit, yo. I've been rapping since I was 9, and I'm the bomb. I got Bow on my side, cause he is my nigga. I fuck him every day. Bow Wow give me head like mayonnaise. I don't know what I just said, but it was alright. I guess I'm gonna finish this shit before I go to sleep. And when I go to bed, I'm gonna give y'all some more. Cause I'm gonna be thinking about all the shit that I just said. This shit was just whack, but hey, so what? I'm just doing this shit for fun. Because I am the shit. Like, I don't know, but I'm done. Brooklyn put this shit on YouTube so it can make mad views.
Yo.
Oh my God.
What about that bling bling bling? 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 My name is Ming Wing. I'm a chicken chong. I like to cook flat rice and shrimp rice. I like to make egg rolls and beef and broccoli. Cause I'm Asian, yo. I'm about to spit a best. Yeah, I reckon my mind, cause I got all of the time. Like Flavor Flav, look at my clock. Look at my cock. It's really, really big. And I like to get mad chicks, you dig? My name is Big B. BIGROKLYN. But I forgot the first B. Yo, I don't need no hype man, son. She in the back trying to hype me up. But I don't need no get no pump. Cause I got them pump in the trunk. And if you wanna get, I'll pump it. And then I'm pumping. Like salt and pepper, push it. You push the paper. I mush the maker. Yeah, I'm Big B. They call me Ashy. Cause I don't wear no lotion. But I use it for other purposes. When I'm in my room, alone. Breezy spit. Give some balls. Say something. Yeah. Make it rain. Say, my name is Bling Bling Bling.
Like this,
Do this.
Do this. Hey yo, I'm back. Them niggas was whack. The song is over. We gonna make another track.